is why you are not even looking at where you are going to again. That is why you want motor to kill you before the cesarean session even come. Cesarean session is not a death sentence. All I was feeling was vibration. By the time they were eventually done with that cesarean session, I was weeping like a baby. My husband was frustrated. He did not know what to do.
Loyalty and harmony, we are the Essence family. Rolling loyalty and harmony, we are the Essence family.
Hello Essence fam, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing? Is your favorite girl in the building, Sarah. Boom, 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 boom. That's me. I'm here. I'm back again with another video, guys. I am going to be addressing this issue real quick, guys. Cesarean session is what I'm going to be talking about today. So before I address this issue, if you are new here, you are welcome. If you are an old subscriber that is always returning to watch my video, I can't thank you enough. This dance is for you. Hey, hey, hey. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch, and thank you for sharing our video. You are awesome. Yes. So guys, you that is just coming today that have not subscribed and you are seeing me for the first time, let's give you time to subscribe. In 1, 2, 3, boom. Have you subscribed? I know you have subscribed. I know you have joined this family. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for joining this family. You see me going about because I really don't know how to tackle this issue. I don't know how to, because one of the reasons why I'm happy to be a YouTuber is that my subscribers, we are learning from one another. It's not all about me uploading video. I just bring out video and people watch. That's not the message I'm trying to pass out there. We learn from one another. Like when I share a video, some people leave comments under the comment section like, oh, this is my experience, this is what I went through. I feel your pain. We fit into each other's shoes. You get it? It's not all about the big subscriber, the big viewers. They will come later. I'm not desperate. I don't know how to say that. They will all come at the right time. But if it is 10 people watching me right now, 100 people watching me, I am actually very grateful for 10 people liking me, coming back to watch my video. That is something that keep me coming back. I am grateful. So that being said, in my delivering video, my natural delivery, most of you watched that video and you all saw everybody like, oh, strong woman, natural birth is the goal and all that. Okay, I have some of you asking me questions in my DM and all that on Instagram. I thank you all for reaching out to me. I will tackle everybody's question. I'm going to answer everybody's question. And for those of you that think that because I put to bed naturally and your wife this cesarean session, I am a stronger woman than your wife, and your wife is not a lesser woman. Because a lot of people keep asking me based on that video, when they watch it, they try to like, oh, okay, they that did cesarean session. It's kind of like, cesarean session is not a stigma. You should not stigmatize somebody because they did cesarean session. Because I remember one time I put to bed, somebody was like, congratulations, and how you take born? Now, natural delivery, do they ask that question? When somebody put to bed, you want to know how the person take born. Some people not like aproko too much. Sometimes my husband, I will tell my husband that, oh, somebody just called me and said, oh, my wife put to bed, or oh, sis, I just put to bed. My husband will be like, what's the sex? I'm like, I did not ask. But if the person say, oh, sister, I don't born, or I born boy, oh, I born girl, oh, I born twins, I tell you congratulations. But if you say I don't born and you restrict that one, maybe you never feel like to share. When you're ready to share, you share with me. Don't invade people's privacy. Don't intrude in other people's matter. There is just this good feeling that comes with minding your business. A woman that put to bed with cesarean session and a woman that put to bed with natural birth, there is nothing different about the two of us. And I'm going to shock you people today. Keep watching. If you watch to the end, you get the whole gist. Don't come and ask me questions again later, or come to my DM and start asking questions. Just watch all the way. Then we will feel each other. Be sure to leave your comment. Your comment gives me joy. Your sharing my video gives me joy. The way we Africans frown about cesarean section. Like, I've seen a woman in Nigeria like, oh my word, oh, she's walking frustrated, walking by the roadside. You can literally see all the woman is looking drained. I'm like, auntie, what is wrong with you? They say nah CS I will take bone. That is why you are not even looking at where you are going to again. That is why you want motor to kill you before the cesarean section even come. Cesarean section is not a death sentence. Come on, Africans, let's stop this mentality of cesarean section is a suicide. Cesarean section is a death sentence. It's not as bad as you guys make it seem. Some people even naturally book for it. They don't just... It's a means of putting to bed. Just the same way you go to family planning, they tell you different type of family planning. That is the same way cesarean section is a method of putting to bed. You can choose to say, okay, I know I born this pikin through V. Just the same way some women go say, I only breastfeed my child just small so that my breast no go fall. Either way, the breast go still fall tomorrow. But some people just get that mentality, say they don't want to make their breast fall, so they no go breastfeed their pikin. So also some women go say they don't want to make their VJJ experience that kind of trauma. So they will just tell you, once it is my EDD date, 2 days to my EDD date, or a day after my EDD date, I will be coming to hospital to do a cesarean session. It's a means of putting to bed. When someone tell you that a doctor said you are going for cesarean section, don't give yourself BP. The way you think about it, oh God, oh Jesus, why is this happening to me? Oh God, you go and start stressing yourself. That will even kill you faster. There is what they call pregnancy-induced hypertension. By the time you start thinking like that, oh God, oh, Egbami, oh, what has happened, oh, BP don't high. Before you know, before the cesarean session don't come, your BP don't too high. When BP high for pregnancy, it's dangerous. So calm down, cool yourself down. We need to be calming down. When they say you want to give birth 2 CS, calm down. You are not going to die. And another thing is that is where the devil is even waiting for you. The devil will be like, okay, I know now when the doctor tell this lady that you're going to put to bed through cesarean section because your child is too big or because your child is breech, you'll be like, no, I don't want to give birth through cesarean section. You go argue. You will now eventually fall into labor. You will labor and labor and labor and labor and labor. All those stress will have been averted. After you don't labor, you say, okay, go, no, they go, come, no, they come. Now like, okay, emergency cesarean section. Come on, wipe that mentality off your brain. And another thing you people said in that question is, your mother or your whoever told you that, and when you give birth through C-section, you will not be able to give birth through birth canal again. Ha! I bow down for now. Now lie, all lies, 100% lies. When you do a cesarean section, you can still give birth VJJ. You know YouTube now, you cannot just say like that, they can. So you can still give birth VJJ. You can still use your V to put to bed normally. And this is where I come in. So for all of you praising me in that video, you are a strong woman, oh, you did it, oh, you think I have done something that your wife cannot do. Your wife is a strong woman. I am a mother of 4. In all my 4 children, I have done cesarean section in the midst of the 4 children. What happened was that one of my baby was extremely big. The baby weighed 4.6 kg. So when I was pregnant, they did the ultrasound. They saw that the baby was big. They were like, this your baby is big. Are you sure you can push this baby? I'm like, I can push the baby because I've pushed my other baby that was 4.5 before. So it's just a few add. So along the line though, later on, I was walking like a penguin close to my EDD date. Boom, the baby bridge. Wow. They did everything to try turning the baby. The baby did not turn. So that means they now told me there is a possibility that if this baby did not turn till the day you will put to bed, you're going to do a cesarean session. I'm like, okay, no problem. When I got home, I prayed about it. I'm like, one thing about me as a Christian, I don't force God. I always tell him, God, let your will be done. Some of you will be disappointed in God. Me, you won't be Christian. How I go do cesarean section? The fact that you are alive and your baby is alive, are you not grateful to God? You do cesarean section, you come house with baby, you know they're happy. Huh? What is the difference? It's a miss of giving birth. You'll be like, oh, my wife don't born, no, but now see as it born. Huh? We should be proud about it. Talk about it. Make your fellow woman feel comfortable. The reason why I'm sharing the video is some men think, okay, superwoman, this is how women give birth in the Bible. Hebrew women, this is how God said it. This woman that gave birth and show it on YouTube that she did not do cesarean section. I have actually done cesarean section before, but I was not a YouTuber then. I would have shared it. But the day I gave birth to King and it was CS, I would have still shared it. Let's stop belittling ourselves. Let's stop downgrading your wife that just put to bed and brought forth a beautiful baby. Don't tell your wife otherwise. Welcome her. Congratulate her. It's not easy. My cesarean section was not easy. When they gave me that anesthesia, my body reacted differently. It was as if a regulated amount of electricity was infused inside my system. I was shaking. I was vibrating all through. Share your experience with me in the comment section. Do you have the same experience? Once they've given me that anesthesia already, all through the cesarean session, I was vibrating on the table. I was feeling it. I was vibrating from my leg. The place that was not numb in my system, even my legs that were numb, all I was feeling was vibration. I was vibrating all through. By the time they were eventually done with that cesarean session, I was itching. The itchiness brought tears to my eyes. I was weeping like a baby. My husband was frustrated. He did not know what to do. Gave me ice. With the ice, calm the itchiness. I'll put ice. Because of the way my body was itching, it did not leave my VJJ aside. Even with those menstruation that was coming out, I was itching there. It was like fire. My leg was kwara. So I was like, I kept calling the nurses. They gave me a pack of ice and I arranged it inside first before I put this thing. I will still be twisting my bump on the ground, dancing a willow. My body reacted differently to the anesthesia. Share your experience. If your wife put to bed with cesarean section, if I hear pain again, any woman said to me that, oh, my family people were not really happy that I gave birth with cesarean. Who is your family people? Don't provoke a woman that just put to bed. Cesarean section is a miss of putting to bed. It's a miss of delivery. The fact that your wife and your baby is alive and you are not grateful, you are thinking your wife is a lesser person. Oh, okay, now when you don't go born with cesarean section, that means all our children, that cesarean section, you got to till they born and they go. Who tell you? It was in between my children that I did cesarean section. Shebi, you guys saw the video just now of Kenya now. I gave birth to him naturally. I have done cesarean section in the past. It's just that I cannot show you guys my belly. I would have shown you so that you see the mark and see the proof. Come on. Giving birth with cesarean section is not a suicide mission. Let's change that mentality, that stigmatization. Telling somebody, you'll be weak woman, and not feel deliver natural as your mate they do. Let's stop that mentality, please. When a sister put to bed, congratulate her. Tell her congratulations. Don't be asking her that, oh, cesarean section now you get cesarean section you call they use they go. That's not true. If you put to bed with cesarean section, you will still be able to give birth naturally. I am a living proof. I gave birth to my child, one of my children, with cesarean section. Look at me here. And I gave birth to my last son just now that I just gave birth to. Vijay Jelly. Vijay Jelly. Seriously. So please, on a more serious note, when they say your baby is breech and your baby is too big, don't go and meet man of God and start saying, oh, man of God, pray for me. Oh, I need a miracle. That's how man of God will tell you, don't allow doctor. God will do signs and wonder. God will do a miracle. How about you use your mouth to pray and say, God, let your will be done. If eventually in a cesarean section you take born, his will is done. When the man of God said, okay, don't accept. Later, before you will not finally see that, okay, oh, now death you don't the face. Now say, okay, doctor, do this cesarean section. Your child has suffocated. The baby have already drank water because you delayed the process. Now that you have given the go-ahead, it's already too late. Because your consent form must be signed before anybody will carry out operation on you. Nobody force it on you. If you keep saying no, 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 and you kill your baby and you go home, and at the end of the day, only you want to go house, or you die, or the baby die, this your husband will move on. No? When they tell you, say, weak woman, don't even jokingly say that to your wife. Whether you are playfully saying it or not, is making me, I don't want to use the word angry. Hey, your mate did. Don't be her mate. Please, please, please. Cesarean section is not a suicide mission. There is nothing much I can talk about it. So I have allayed you people's fear. It's not a suicide mission. You can give birth with cesarean section and you will still be giving birth naturally through your birth canal. There is nothing wrong when you do a cesarean section. If somebody say, oh, how did you give birth? You say it's cesarean section. Oh, thank God. And the person try to throw jabs at you. They see your mouth. It's not easy. Pushing baby is not easy. Cesarean section self is not easy. All those shock when I shock and all those inching when I inch and belly when they go tear before you take your time to heal, they are all process. Any woman that gives birth, congratulate her regardless. I beg you, please. And you that is thinking otherwise, please stop. Take your decision on time. When they say it is cesarean section that is safer for you and the baby, what is safe for you and the baby is what you should choose. I have seen a process where women will say, okay, I will push the baby out, whether the baby is big or not. At the end of the day, the head don't come out. The rest of the shoulder did not agree to come out. Push, 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 before you know baby suffocates. Don't you want that for yourself? Or the first one miss, before you know they break the innocent baby's shoulder. From there, they break the neck. Come on, women. Men, wise up, support your wife, regardless. No, I know I provoke past this one. Thank you so much for always watching my video. If you find the video helpful, like and share. Thank you so much, SS Fam. I love you all. One love.